Okay, this is the next part that we want to draw, so we can see that right here. We see that it has two axes of symmetry, one right here, one right there. So I think what we'll do is we'll just draw 1/4, and then we'll use the mirroring techniques that we learned to create the whole thing. So let's get started. I already have a part open for millimeters. We'll go to start the sketch. And then we will start right there. Let's see, how far out does this go? That is, considering this is all the same, this must be, oh, it says right there, 20. There we go. So start. I don't know, but the whole thing is how long? The whole thing is 50. So from here, from there to there should be 30. Let's see. There, again, we punch in the number 30 for the length. We'll click on our box here, our cube, to get the right zoom. And then so we'd be here. So we go up 20. Then we want to say where it says 90 degrees, and then we can push in 20. Again, we'll do the zoom. That means we're here. And so let's just go straight all the way out. That should be another 20, because we already did 30 down there, and it's a 50 overall. So now we're here. Difference from there to there is 30, right? So because that's from here to there was 20, and all the way up is 50. So 30 right there. Again, the zoom. And then we can go all the way back here. 50, just as we expect it to be. And then, for some reason, it didn't like that. Let's try this again. 50. Doesn't like that for some reason. See if we can convince it to come from here. 50, and we'll close it off. 50. There we go. All right, so now we have this general setup. Now the holes are 35 and 35. So let's see. Let's do a circle. Somewhere around here. The diameter is 12. It says right there, right? 4 holes of 12. 12. And then we'll dimension. So it says 35 back in that direction. Center of the circle. 35, and the same in this direction. Both of them were relatively close. Looks about right. So then what else is left? We'll put that in the middle afterwards. We need to round off the corners, and they're all R10s. Very good. So we'll go to fillet, do 10 millimeters, and then there and there. All right, that looks good. Zoom out a little bit. And over here, done with the fillet. So I think this all looks good. So then let's do some mirroring here. See how we can get this going. So click on mirror. Of course, first we have to choose what to mirror. So we can just drag across everything here. And then the mirror line would be right there. And then it's apply. Looks about right. Say done. Looks good. And then we'll do the same thing again. Mirrored across the bottom. Choose all of this. Mirror line. Either of those will work. And there we go. Done. Now we need to get rid of some lines. Right? We need to get rid of all these internal ones. Don't need those. Sometimes they're a little hard to see when they're on the axis here. So that was all good. So what we're missing then is kind of this hole here, there. It is 20 by 20 and centered in the middle. So let's do the 2 points and center. Our center. And then we can either put in those and dimension, or we can just type in 20, hit the tab key, and 20, and there we go. So I think this is more or less what we were looking for. So let's go up to where it says finish. And again, we'll hit the little house to get the right zoom. And then what we can do, we can either go right click and get rid of the dimensions. Or even better, we can go and extrude it. That way we are definitely sure that we have a closed loop. And as you can see, it gives us a thickness. So let's put in the second thickness, 1/6 for 16. Say OK. Let's look from the side view, and that looks pretty much the same.